Hi guys, this is Giga from 2100 News. Today I'm here with Dominik from Wings. We're live from Kiel. And Dominik, I would just like to ask you if you can tell us a little bit more about what do you do?
Sure. I am a co-founder of Wings and head of communications at the Wings Foundation. Also, I'm a crypto trader and investor, so I do a lot of that as well.
That's beautiful. So could you, Dominik was also a speaker. Could you tell us a little bit more about the speech that you just gave on this conference?
Sure. So I was talking about tokenization and sort of, why that's happening. And I see several reasons for that. One is sort of, the gigification of the economy, of the global economy. People needing to be able to trust people around the world that they're doing business with. And just, kind of being able to self-organize and organize different kind of initiatives with people that have a common interest across borders. It's a lot easier to use blockchain technologies and smart contracts for that than it is to set up corporations or, that sort of thing.
If we talk a little bit about Wings now, could you describe us Wings a little bit, introduce us to the public?
Sure. So Wings is basically a generalized sales forecasting system and a token sales forecasting system. And we started off with forecasting on ICOs because frankly that's the only thing that sells on Ethereum these days. But one day, we think that there's going to be movies and music and all sorts of other things that are going to be sold using the blockchain technologies. And so Wings uses a crowd that is incentivized and bound by like a reputation system to tell us like how much they think something is going to sell. Yeah.
So actually do forecasts on ICOs, how successful they're going to be in a sense of how much they're going to raise.
Right, exactly.
Oh, that's great. How many clients did you already forecast to?
So there's been 44 projects that have used it in the pre-beta. There's a few times where the crowd, it's a new type of thing. So there's a few times where the crowd was completely off, but I would say the vast majority, they're usually within right now like 20-30% of the actual, and that's without looking at the reputation-based forecasting data. And so now with the beta that we introduced about 2 weeks ago, we get the forecast rating score, and so we're able to start to slice and dice the numbers by, if I just want to look at the top 10% of forecasters. And so hopefully that's going to give people sort of that are buying these tokens a better indication if something's priced correctly or not.
It's an interesting idea.
Yeah, thank you.
How did you come up with an idea?
So it's actually, there's about 6 of us. I am more on the communication side. Boris Povod is one of our core developers. Stas Oskin is also one of our developers and sort of biz dev. Sebastian Sturepak, and who is doing more our legal biz dev, accounting, a bunch of, there's so many things to do. It's really a lot of work. And then we also have Sergey Popov, who's a professor down in Brazil, who wrote the sort of scientific white paper and the forecasting rewards algorithm, which is beyond my level of comprehension.
Just to finish up this interview, Dominik, could you tell our public a little bit more where can they follow you about your social media and website?
Sure. So the DApp is at Wings.ai, so WINGS.ai. And for Twitter, I think we use twitter.com /Wings platform. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dominik. A lot of success with your project. All the best. Live from Kiel, 2100 News, Squawk, Giga Stifter. Thank you.